Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix talkback problem in Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see there was many more options shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to see there was many more options. You have to scroll right. Actions available. You have to do, if you want to scroll, so you have to use two fingers for scrolling. In this way you have to see. So then you have to move up with two fingers, and then you have to see there was many more app icons shown in your mobile phone. Click on the firstly setting icon. Double click to activate. Then you have to see this type of app icon, means different option in the setting. You have to move up and down with two fingers. You have to see. So if you want to fix talkback problem in your mobile phone, so click on the additional setting, double click on here. Additional setting. Then you have to see there was many more options shown in your mobile phone. You have to firstly click on the accessibility option. Double click on here. Email. Then you have to see this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. Click on the firstly talkback option, double click on that. You have to see talkback is already on in your mobile phone, so you have to off talkback by double clicking and click on the turn off option. In this way talkback is off and talkback related problem is fixed. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.